goodbye to damaged hair with the Sutra Beauty IR2 Infrared Flat Iron. You can have healthy, shiny hair with our safe and gentle yet powerful infrared heat. Let's see how to do the glass hair trend for flowing, shiny, intensely glossy hair. Begin with clean, air-dried hair. Divide your hair into sections and turn the IR2 flat iron on to your preferred temperature. Taking small sections of hair, use a trick called the chase method. Using your fingers or a comb as a guide, follow closely with the IR2, passing from the top of the section to the ends. You only need one pass. The infrared generator seals the hair from moisture, preventing frizz for an extended amount of time and a look that lasts. Finish your look with your favorite finishing product. We love Sutra Beauty's Hair Cocktail. Use a small amount to smooth any flyaways and create more shine. And you see, you have gorgeous, mirror-like liquid glass hair with the Sutra IR2 Infrared Flat Iron.